So the butterfly knife looks pretty cool, but one of my problems that I have with it, right, is why do I have to pay for an animation for a military knife? Is it just him flipping it around? It's not like it's glowing or shit. Like if I pay for the animation on the karambit, it glows, he like pulls it out. You actually don't want to upgrade the karambit, but you guys get what I'm saying. Something happens to it, right? Does something happen to my butterfly? I wouldn't know. It looks like a normal fucking knife, bro. It just flips. I don't get the flip otherwise. That's kind of lame. I have to pay an extra 10 credits for that. That's a lot of money. How much is the Radianite? I can only buy 20 Radianite. It cost me 16 bucks. 16 bucks for the flippy flip? Oh my god, bro. And then the other things, like, what is a randomizer? What is this upgrade right here? What is the upgrade I am getting from getting the randomizer? I don't know. They're both randomizers, it says. What does that mean? It's a randomized upgrade? I don't know what the fuck it is, dog. I don't know. I don't think it's worth 30 Radianite for this. What is the kill banner? I want to see it. Stop dropping the gun. I want to see the kill banner. Stop dropping the gun, bro. Is that it? 30 Radianite for that? What? No shot, right? I can't skip ahead in the video, but that does not feel worth it. I'm gonna be real. I like the skin set. Would love to get myself a little butterfly. Don't think that's worth the 30 Radianite point. Radianite's fucking expensive, bro. And then that's just to get it to like the max level. To actually get like a different color, you have to pay the extra 15. I like the colors, but oh, man, that's a little ridiculous. Little ridiculous, gonna be honest. So we're gonna go into a death match and not use the new skin set, because I did not spend money on it yet. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll get the knife eventually. I like the knife, but we're in a little bit of a Radianite drought right now. It's the end of the battle pass. I've already spent all my Radianite from the battle pass. Bit of a Radianite drought. I did re-equip my older skins. I was using the Sakura Vandal for a while. We're back to Prime for this DM, so don't you guys worry. We got the Prime Gaming content right now for you. Oh God. Come on, Prime Gaming. Prime Gaming. Oh my God, he's a demon. Dude, I mean, I like overbooked some stuff today, and I felt kind of bad about it. Everything ended up working out, right? But like, I booked an Applebee's date with one of my friends, and like, we went to Applebee's, and it was fine. But I was like, I also told Eats I could sub in for his team, and I did that, and like, it didn't go too well, because then I had to leave, because I had a date with my friends, and then like, I also told my dad I would eat dinner with him, and then like, I didn't realize that I was going to Applebee's with a friend, so I wasn't able to do that. And I was just like, dude, I felt so bad. And then I also had to record a video, bro, because I'm behind right now. I'm pretty behind on things, and I'm leaving soon, and I have a tournament this weekend. I forgot to mention, I had a tournament that I'm probably going to be streaming. If you guys wanted to catch that at twitch.tv/thekingLive, we stream sometimes, not frequently, but it happens. Bro, there's so much shit going on, and it's just like, not enough time for this shit, you know? There's not enough time. What am I doing right now, bro? Let me just click ahead here, okay? I just gotta click ahead. I gotta click ahead to bring my confidence back up right now. Okay, give me some heads to click. Hold on. There's one. Okay. There's a guy there. Okay. No! I choked! But, yeah. Dude, it's been busy. That's okay, though. I kind of like being busy sometimes. Making some bread, doing the work. I hate overbooking things. I like being busy. I don't like being overbooked. That is stressful. Being busy is less stressful. Being busy is like, it's pacing, right? Like you got one thing to do, and you have another thing to do, and then you have another thing to do, and you like get them all done, and you like feel good because like there was a rhythm. You got into a rhythm and you got everything done. But being overbooked is like, holy fuck, I have multiple things that I'm gonna disappoint somebody, and that's not cool. Disappointing people, not cool. Just ask my parents. Yeah, at the end of the day, it'll be okay. That's what I always tell myself, you know? I think people get too stressed about something. Like, oh my god, like, I'm broke and I declared bankruptcy for like the 3rd time. It's not like you're dead. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. Even though you're broke, even though the world is crashing down around you, maybe your card... I formally apologize to that cipher, bro. Maybe I'm the demon in this deathmatch. Holy shit. Where's some more people? This is easily winnable. I haven't played Valorant in so long, bro. I just want to roll some kids in DM. Except this guy who's opping, bro. Opping at DM is hard. Hot take. I saw Flo Shizzle tweet this earlier. Opping DM is not easy. Like, winning a DM while opping, because like the whole point of the op, right, is that people spawn in front of you. But if people aren't in front of you, you gotta like flick around a lot. So it's like, I'm gonna peek this guy, but then I'm exposed to this guy. and then I just whiffed, bro. See, it's not easy. Not easy. I'm gonna get that comment in chat now because people are assholes to be like, nah, bro, you just suck. But not easy. Come on. Oh man, you can't dash out. Not in DM. Even when you're playing as Jet. Jet can't dash. Nice. Nice. I have so much glitch pop right now, dude. I have the classic. I have the op. I have the knife. Nice. Oh, I thought I had him. If I can win this DM with an op, I'm a literal legend, okay? Okay, maybe I just suck at opping. That might be it. We'll give it one more kill, okay? One more kill just because this gun feels satisfying. Okay. Dude. I guess I'm playing like a normal angle, huh? If I go wider there, I think he loses that. Anyway, yeah, I'm doing good, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. I'm sorry I clickbaited you last video with the CSGO thing. We were playing CSGO, and I wanted people to watch my video, but I also still wanted to upload the CSGO game. And I know that, like, I'm rude for clickbaiting. That's just how it's gonna be sometimes, you know? That's just YouTube now. It's the YouTube meta. I thought it was a funny joke. Obviously, it's not a new game mode. CSGO is not the new Valorant game mode. Your mom is the new Valorant game mode. Yeah. Hope you guys have a good day. We're gonna finish out this DM with a good old montage, and then we'll get back with you, okay? This is gonna be the best death montage I've ever seen. Oh my god, he's a demon. Oh! He's in DM. Deathmatch. These guys are demons, bro. I feel like everyone just needs to make DM montages now. Actual Valorant isn't fun, so just make montages out of DMs. Of people dying in DMs. Oh my god, bro. I can't turn that fast, bro. My sensitivity is too low for deathmatch. Come on, Sage. Get over here, girly. I just want this to be over. I want this deathmatch to be over. Finish this deathmatch, Reyna. Finish the deathmatch, Reyna. Thank you. Next video.